Hi, this is Andrew Kulas with the Law Office of Robert J. Kulas, PA, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about planning for incapacity. When most people think about planning, they think about their deaths and what's going to happen after they pass away. But most people don't think about the possibility that something could happen to them while they're still alive. They could end up in an accident, or they could get some kind of illness that results in them becoming incapacitated, or they can't handle things for themselves, and so somebody else has to take care of things for them. When you think about incapacity, you have to plan for two different things. You have to not only plan for the financial part of your life, but you also want to make sure that there's somebody named to take care of things, to make medical decisions for you as well. Now, I'm going to talk about a couple of different tools that can be used for planning for incapacity. Now, one of those types of tools is what's called a durable power of attorney. Now, this is a document where you name somebody to take care of things for you if you become incapacitated. You can name one person, you can name more than one person, you can have a few people together, you can say they have to act together, you can say they can act separately. So there's a lot of different things you can do. But the durable power of attorney is important because it's a document in which you name somebody to handle things and take care of your financial situation. They can pay bills, they can move money around, they can do whatever is necessary to take care of you while you're incapacitated. So it's important to have somebody in that position. Now, there is also what's called the durable power of attorney for health care. And this is a document in which you name somebody to make healthcare decisions for you if you can't make that decision for yourself. This is also important because when you can't make a decision for yourself, somebody's got to be able to be there to do it for you. So you want to make sure that somebody that you've named and somebody that you trust to take care of these things for you. There's also another type of healthcare document called the living will. Now, the living will is a document that basically says if I'm hooked up to machines and there's no chance of my recovery, unplug the machine and let me go naturally rather than stay artificially alive hooked up to a life support machine. And the living will is important because it's you telling the doctor what you want to happen to you if something happens to you. It's not somebody else making that decision for you, it's you making that decision for yourself. So there's another document that can be used for incapacity planning as well, and that's called a living trust. Now, a living trust is a lot like a will. It's a typed out legal document. It's signed, it's witnessed, it's notarized. It says who's going to get what from your estate, who's going to take care of things in your estate. So it's a lot like a will, but it's different in that it's used while you're alive. It's not used after you're gone. So within that document, you've named somebody to handle things for you if you become incapacitated. So within that document, you've named what's called a successor incapacity trustee that can take care of things for you if you're not able to handle things for yourself. The most important thing you want to think about when you think about incapacity planning is, what if you don't do any planning at all? And what can happen is you can end up in a guardianship situation where a judge appoints somebody to handle things for you instead of you choosing who's going to handle things. So it's very important that you take care of something like this because you don't want a judge to decide. You want to make sure you decide who's going to be handling things for you if you ever do become incapacitated. Thank you.